Hello guys, binigyan tayo ng supas sa ating kapitbahay guys, sa ating kababayan guys. Ayan, maraming salamat sa iyo, kababayan. Ang dami. Thank you, daming blessing. Thank you God. Okay. Kasi yung panganay hindi pa nagla-lunch, kaya ito daw yung lunch niya. Come, auntie give you. I give you. This one you cannot finish. Oh my God, I have chicken.
I want to finish all.
You cannot finish yan. This one so many. Later, auntie eat.
I can finish all. This so